Hey guys, it's your girl Choreo here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to do a booty clap. Now this is going to be a very short, very simple video. Last week I taught you how to wind go down low. If you haven't seen that yet, you can click this link right up here. Check that out and you will be really happy that you watched it, because what it does, it teaches you how to go down low. It shows you special drills that will help with your isometric strength, your dynamic strength, endurance, and a little bit of flexibility as well. So check that link and make sure you practice that. Let me know below if it was helpful for you. Now, how to make the booty clap. Right, this is what that looks like. Right? No. So first of all, you have to have on some loose, not loose, but you can have tight shorts like these that are nice and loose. So this is not very tight, right? It's loose, so it allows my booty the room to move, right? It's very easy to make it move in these. If you have, you know those sexy new tights that has a stitch down the center like that? If you have those, I find that those are actually quite effective as well, because it just lines each cheek and allows it to just it just makes it all really sexy. So those are nice as well. Try not to wear yoga tights. I tell people all the time, don't wear yoga tights to my class. And if you're coming to my classes July 9th, July 16th, July 23rd, so I have them in Mobe, Choreo, and Kingston, Jamaica, respectively, right? It's going to be a sensuality, ultra sensuality dance class for women ages 18 plus. The mature, sexy woman who's looking to be sexier, more sensual. It's not going to be soca, it's not going to be dancehall. It's just going to be a fusion of different genres of music. Whatever music gets us going, makes us feel good and sexy. If you're interested in that, click this link right here. You can sign up. If you're local, you can send me an email at the email address below. So it's going to be physical and virtual. Did I say that? I think I did. So anyway, let's get into the tutorial. Booty clap. It's all in the hips, babe, right? So you have to keep those feet static and look at how I'm going to be going really slow. Here, here, right? Now, do this simple movement, and I want you to get this into the hip. I'm going to turn on the diagonal so that you can see what is happening with my booty when I do this with my legs. So it's here. You see? When I kind of squeeze the knees in, the booty pops back and it kind of opens up. And then when you come in, when you turn the knees out, it comes down and kind of closes back. So it goes here, 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 here. One of the things that I would suggest that you do, just to kind of start off as well, is just to kind of squeeze, right? It might look a little weird. I'm sorry if there are men watching. You really shouldn't be watching this video, but then you do, so let me just apologize. This looks really weird, but it's a basic movement that will actually help to segue into the actual movement. You get me? So if it's here, you squeeze the glutes, release, squeeze, release, squeeze, release, squeeze, release, squeeze. And then there are a series of bringing the legs in here. So the legs go in and they go out. They chuck back, chuck in, chuck back, chuck in. And then the hips are swinging. You notice? So if I'm to turn here and I do it just back way here, it goes here. And you could do an emphasized version just so you kind of get the feel of it, which is here, 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 here. And what you're doing when you're feeling that is feeling how the hips feel, feeling how the booty feels. Dare I say, ladies, try this without clothes on, especially if you have a smaller booty. Try it without clothes on to see what it feels like when your booty jiggles without any restrictions. Because some of you like to wear yoga tights like it is. What is it with you guys on yoga tights? So when it comes down to this movement, you need to let everything go, let it jiggle. All right? Oh God. So again, we're going to go slow, and we're going to go here, in, out, and we're doing that 10 times. So here we go. 3, 2, 1, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm turning on the diagonal. 3, 2, 1, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And while I'm doing it, The same little weird thing that I showed you, where I open my booty and then I squeeze it closed, open and squeeze it closed. That's what I'm doing. All right. So we're gonna turn. Let me turn to the front so you see what my legs are doing this way. So here we go. 3, 2, 1, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's do to the back again. I know I did 20. You can do 10 to 20, right? Do whatever you feel comfortable doing. 20 is always like a nice goal to reach to, because then you can only do like 5 easily. You can do like 10 easily. If you go all the way to 20 when you're training, girl, when you get on that floor, that club, wherever it is that you're dancing, you can do 5 easily. All right. Do that extra rep. 3, 2, 1, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now we're just gonna let it go. Let it free. 3, 2, 1, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Alright, that's how you make it clap. I hope this was helpful for you. Comment below what other movements you want to learn. Last week we did go down the wine drills for that. Today we did how to make it clap drills for that. Next week I want you to let me know what you want to learn next week. Alright, so here we go. Remember, if you want to be a part of my sensuality dance class, that's July 9th, 16th and 23rd in Montego Bay, Ocho Rios, Kingston, and there's a virtual option. Comment below or click this link, sign up via my website for the virtual option. Send me an email at the email listed below, or I'm going to drop it right here for the local option. All right, so